गुड मॉर्निंग सगळे गोंयकार. उपकार करून मागता हो पळय व्हिडिओ पळयता ते तुमी एकामेकाक शेअर करचे. चड करून ओवरसीज गोवन्स लिव्हिंग इन लंडन, कॅनडा, वेरेवर यू ऑल आर. फेसबुकान मातसो बॅन केला म्हाका, सो प्लीज शेअर दिस व्हिडिओ. द डिस्ट्रक्शन that you are seeing here is of a house of a Goan which was demolished for being on Comunidad land. आतां हांव पळय वाटेर पळय हांगासर पावलोलो हा. 100 जाणांची जाणट्यांची होमपी हा. तांकां कायदो लागना आनी तांकां काडूंक ना. 40 years they have been here. तुमी इंटरव्यू आयकले आसतले तेंचे. And I also listened to the interview of the concerned MLA, Alex Sequeira. Very sweetly and nicely you're telling that they should have gone to their lawyer. What lawyer? शिकप नासलेले खंय धांवतले, देवाच्या भाडतान चलता रे ते. It was your duty to find them a lawyer and see that their house was not demolished. सोडून घाल. Alex Sequeira, सोडून घाल. वोटिंगाक मात तूं तिंगेर पावलोय. वोट मागपाक. Now listen, all you Goans. I have met the family. Here is the father. Rare Irma. This is the father. This is the son. आनेकलो चोडो वारका गेला म्हणून फोन मारतालो म्हाका, सांगला. कुशीक दिलोलो अकाउंट नंबर तुमी पळया. I want all you politicians, विजय सरदेसाय गोंयकारपण जाय जाल्यार तुजेशीन जाता काम, हो तुजो वोटर न्हू. आनी चर्चिल आलेमाव तूं कांय उलो मारता रे. Find 300 square meters in Verna somewhere. We will raise the money and pay the badkar of whoever he is. And badkaraशी न्ही मागता रे बाबा, उपकार करून 300 स्क्वेअर मीटर हे फॅमिलीक तुमी दिवचे, तुमकां पयशे फारीक कोत्तले. ओके. नाव माय अपील इज गोईंग आउट टू ऑल दोज पीपल कोण गोंया सोडून गेल्या, इंग्लंडाक हा, तुमी बरे हा, तुमी पॉलिटिकाक पयशे खूब धाडटात लोकांक. आय एम लुकींग फॉर 300 गोवन्स. Not 300, 299 Goans who can sponsor 1 square meter for this family. I don't know what is the cost. Baba, anga square meter ko hare? Zago ko hare anga? Verna ko hare zago? Yeah, but how much is land here more or less? 10 astele, no? I believe it is 10,000. So I'm looking for 299 Goans who can call themselves Goans and share in this family's plight. Londonang hate aikare, kushik dilolo account hato poya. Pore baba, ami खूप feliz ha. खूप जाण गोंयाय. There are many small businesses who have people who have money. आता हें घर कोणेन मोडलें तें हांव सांगता तुमकां. हें घर मरे ध्यान मोडलां आसतलें. कित्याक जाणाय मरे? आमचे क्रिस्तांवांची मोना पळोवपाक आमी कितके ह्या फॅमिलीक पावतले म्हणून. सो आय एम रिक्वेस्टिंग ऑल्सो द गांवचो पादिगार, हुएवर ही इज. व्हडलीं फेस्तां कोत्ता आमी, होली लँडांक वयतात, वायलांकांनी धांवतात गाडयो घेवन. बाबा, लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ द बेसिक्स ऑफ आवर रिलीजन. Let us see if we can get something for this family, a plot. And I'm appealing to all politicians, even you, Alex Siqueira, 300 square meter तांकां खूंय मेवता जाल्यार ह्या गांवांत पळय. We will raise the money and we will see that the house is built. Please, I'm requesting everybody, look at the number, account number given on the side and send, if you can, at least 10,000. गोंयकार सगळ्या वर्ल्डाक शिंपडलेले हा. खूब जाण बरे हा भायर. एक स्क्वेअर मिटर घेवन दाखोया मरे आमच्या गोंयकारपण. धाडात, if you can, please. And I appeal to all the politicians, even if he's not your voter, चड करून चर्चिल आलेमाव, आनी वो तुजो एलेक्स सिक्वेराय, विजय सरदेसाय, all you opposition party leaders who came and who tried to cry, all the people on digital media, आसाची दुकां रोडले पळय ते, फुडें आतां कितें करुया? Shall we wait for another house to be broken and comment on Facebook? Or shall we help this family? I'm sorry, a lot of you people might have not liked what I'm saying here, but let's start to put this family's life in order by finding a place, paying for it, and let him build his house. देव बरें करूं, share करा रे सगळे. Bye.